Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change date format in Google Forms. So you could just go ahead and click right here, add questions right here. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the multiple choices right here, and you're going to be able to add date right here. And you're going to be able to add date, month, or year. All right. So you're going to be able to add month, date, year after you add the question and everything. If you want to change the language, just go ahead and click on the avatar icon and then click manage your Google account, and you're gonna see a pop-up, basically a new window opening up for you. Just go ahead and type the language right here. All right, and basically after you type language, right, you're gonna be able right here to see personal info. Go ahead and click on it. Basically you're gonna be able right here to add another language for Google service, and you're gonna be able to add whatever language that you might feel appropriate for that step. Another thing that I want to add is the input tools. So I'm gonna go back right here. Basically I'm gonna just type input tools, right? Click on it, and basically you're gonna be able right here to add the language to whatever language that you want. Okay, let's say for example Azerbaijan or Afrikaans, and then hit save right here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.